Question 48. In a binary system of A and B, a liquid of 20% A, 80% B is coexisting with a solid of 70% A and 30% B. For an overall composition having 40% A, the fraction of solid is. So in this question, there are two components A and B. One they are also in liquid state and also in solid state. So in liquid state, A is 20% while B is 80%, and in solid state A is 70% and B is 30%. And it is given that overall composition in liquid plus solid A is 40%, and we have to find the fraction of solid. So actually composition of A will be, let us take liquid to be x and solid to be 1 minus x. Like addition of both will be 1, it is fraction. So composition of A will be x into 0.2, since 20% it is liquid, so x is liquid and 20% it is of A, plus 0.7 into 1 minus x, and total overall it will be x plus 1 minus x, so that will be 1, and this is equal to 40%, so that is 0.4. So this comes out to be 0.2x plus 0.7 minus 0.7x is equal to 0.4. So that is 0.9x, that equals minus 0.5x is equal to minus 0.3. So x comes out to be 3 by 5, that is equal to 60%. So this is fraction of liquid, so solid will be 1 minus x, that is 0.4, that is 40%. So option A is correct, 40%.